In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit your character here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want to change your outfit, what you can do is really just head to any clothing store on the entire map. These are all going to be marked with a little like t-shirt icon on here indicating that it is a clothing store, but there is multiple around the map pretty much everywhere that you can interact with in order to change your clothes itself. If you're trying to change your hair or facial hair, go ahead and just make your way over to like a barber shop, for example. And once again, there's a ton of these located around the map. They're all over and they essentially just all have the exact same option, so just go to whatever one's closer. But if you want to fully change your character's appearance like face or features, you actually can't do that in game. Instead, go ahead and back out of the menu and stay on the pause menu, and then from here you need to go to this online tab. Go ahead and find like manage profile or manage characters on here. Go ahead and select manage characters, and this will take you out of your session and let you edit or create a new character. I'm not going to do that since I actually have a few more videos I got to make first. But of course, from there, you can fully customize how your character looks. It really is that simple. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.